Unlock a universe of visual storytelling as we dive into creating breathtaking videos with the revolutionary Sora AI. Step 1. Craft your vision with intelligent scripting. Start by defining your video's core message, and Sora AI excels at translating even simple text prompts into detailed scene descriptions. So think about the mood, action, and setting you desire. The more specific you are, the more precisely Sora can interpret your intent. Step 2. Generate stunning visuals. Once your script is ready, input key scene descriptions into Sora AI. Imagine describing a majestic dragon soaring over a neon-lit metropolis at dawn. Sora will then interpret these words, generating unique video clips that match your vision, saving you immense time on traditional filming. Step 3. Assemble and refine your masterpiece now. It's time for the editing suite. Import your generated clips into your preferred nonlinear editing software here. You'll arrange the scenes in sequence, adding any necessary transitions to ensure a smooth flow. Think of yourself as the conductor, orchestrating these AI-generated elements into a harmonious narrative. Step 4. Enhance with audio and effects. No video is complete without compelling audio. Add a captivating soundtrack and sound effects that amplify the emotion and impact of your visuals. You can also use editing software to fine-tune color grading for a consistent look, or add subtle visual effects to further elevate your creation. Step 5. Optimize for maximum reach. Finally, export your masterpiece in formats suitable for your target platforms, be it YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Consider aspect ratios and resolution for each. Add relevant tags and a compelling description to ensure your incredible Sora AI-generated video is discovered by a global audience, opening doors to new creative expression and potential revenue streams.